Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your Santander bank account balance online, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1, open the Santander mobile banking app or visit santanderbank.com and log in with your username and password. If you haven't registered yet, tap Enroll Now and follow the prompts to set up your online banking. Step 2. Once logged in, your account dashboard will appear. You'll immediately see your account summary, including balances for your checking, savings, or credit card accounts. Step 3. Tap on any account to view more detailed information, including recent transactions, available balance, and pending payments. Step 4. If you want to see more history, look for the Statements or Transactions tab to view previous month's activity. Step 5. You can also enable balance alerts by going to Settings Alerts, so you'll get a notification when your balance goes above or below a certain amount. Step 6. On desktop, you can even download or print your full account statements in PDF format for your records. Tip: always log out when using public devices and enable biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID for added security on mobile. That's it. You now know how to view your Santander balance online anytime in 2025. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more smart banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.